On the 1st of February 2021, exactly 15 days after the announcement of President Museveni as winner, Kyagulanyi took 26 grounds to the Supreme Court to ask it to nullify the election and order for a fresh one with the incumbent excluded from the ballot.
You must allow court to do its work. We are here to allow court to do its work and execute its mandate. You want me to tell you the next step after court? You want to hear that? Yes, celebration.
Then he would file an application seeking to amend the petition and include a new ground and also adduce further evidence to support the initial grounds.
It's a new matter which comes outside the limitation period for filing a presidential election petition. Therefore, we disallow it.
Unfortunately, it has not been granted. For those other ones which already exist on the court file, I do not think it's going to be an easy task for him still. So we shall concentrate on that.
On 11th February 2021, the court postponed pre-hearing session to 24th of this month because, according to the petitioner's lawyer, some of Kyagulanyi's witnesses had continued to go missing. However, the lawyers did not legally apply for witness protection.
We shall have no other options but to move court on the protection of our witnesses until the end of the case.
It was the first time the Chief Justice warned Kyagulanyi's lawyers against the rule of sub judice, accusing them of discussing the case in the media.
We will not take kindly to anyone, more so counsel, or the parties who have chosen to come to court, who have been dragged to court, now thinking that having had their day in court, they must also have another day elsewhere.
On the other hand, Kyagulanyi was accusing some justices of having a historical relationship with the president, who is the first respondent in the case. In fact, he demanded that 3 of the 9 jurists leave the bench.
Therefore, we want to put the Supreme Court on notice that if this persists, we are not going to be part of that mockery of justice.
After 14th of February 2021, the time Kyagulanyi had to file all the affidavits and serve the respondents, he applied to file further evidence, an application that was disallowed on Wednesday last week.
By a majority of 8 to 1, this court disallows this application.
But something unusual on that day, the Chief Justice spent a good 7 minutes inside the Temple of Justice replying to allegations by his main client in the petition, allegations that were not on court record.
If they continue to block us from presenting evidence, we shall have no option but to withdraw from their court.
If anyone thinks he can intimidate, he can blackmail, he can induce with favors that Chief Justice of Uganda, then he's heading for a crash.
And after some good days of verbal ping-pong, Kyagulanyi said today he had instructed his lawyers to pull out as he heads to the public opinion court. Edward Muhumuza, NTV.